Traders, Brian here. It is Thursday, May 21st, 2026, and this is Trade Recap from our live trading session today. It was another good day today in the room. A good week so far. We have one more day to go. Let's take a look at some of the trades that we took. So, in the live session, in my personal accounts, what I look to do is take advantage of these structure breaks. I'm looking for either the market, the NASDAQ futures, to break out of a trend line and then present me with the first A-plus named setup, or I'm looking for a divergence from an extreme. So we got lucky today and we got both of those. So in the room today, we were 4 winners and 1 loser. We got our funded accounts done on the first trade. And I'll show you a trade at the end of this where I just queued up another eval and caught a monster trade going in to, I think it was the last 30 minutes of the trade. Let's go ahead and get right into it. First trade of the day, right out of the gate, within about 4 minutes, we had a break trend line, came up, it pulled back in, and it pulled into a shallow pullback jiggle. You see our software printing an arrow here. Now, all of these other trades were winning scalps that you see, the arrow, triangle, but I'm only interested in the specific setup. I'm waiting for a structure break, and then I'm looking for my setup because I'm not looking to take every trade in the middle. It's all noise to me, even though there's multiple good setups. All right, so that was the first one. Nice scalp there. Let's move on to the second trade. Take a look. It wasn't much longer, maybe 10 minutes or so. We got another trend line break here to the downside. Let me show you where that started from. At the top, connected a couple of times. We broke up, we come down. I don't like those. I like for them to punch through, hold above. That was our entry right there. First A-plus setup. It happened to be the deep pullback reverse mullet. You can see our software calling it out right there, printing a dot. That's the trade I'm looking for. That's what I'm waiting for. The jiggle, the reverse mullet, or the puncture trade after the trend line break or the divergence trade. That was trade number 2. All right, trade number 3, we happened to get, again, market broke out. This was our only loser for the day. It was perfect setup. Perfect breakout. Everything looked good. It just didn't work. Again, a reverse mullet to the upside. Don't worry about these. These were winning trades to the downside. I was not looking for short trades. I was looking for bullish trades. And that one just didn't work out. So what? It's just one losing trade. All right, we got a reprieve shortly thereafter. We had a trend line break here. We got a short opportunity, and it happened to be deep pullback, reverse mullet again, clean trade to the downside. You can see here it's printing winning jiggles, winning scalp trades on the way down as well. I'm not interested in those. I'm interested in this one. This has my focus. It's the first setup after the trend line break. Now, we could argue that this was actually the first one, but I honestly missed it, and but I got ready to go for this trade right here. All right, so that pretty much was the morning session. We come back into the afternoon session. Now, this happened on the break. I showed this to the Discord. This is a divergence from an extreme in the NQ. The first A-plus setup was a jiggle right there. I did not take it. It was during my break, but that was a beautiful, beautiful divergence trade. But we came in to a bullish divergence trade. We caught that, and that just happened to be shallow pullback jiggle off the lows from the divergence, and up we went for an easy trade. Now this is where just minutes before I had queued up another eval, um, and the divergence was playing out. So I jumped in with the eval and rode this one up for a good 40 plus points from I got in right around this area right here and came out on the pullback right there. So it was a 40 plus point move on an eval. It was a pretty sweet trade. This was a really easy scalp. It worked out, played out very quick. Anyway, that is the trade recap for today, May 21st, 2026. Hope it helps. Again, I'm trading with a framework and the combination with our powerful A plus setups, categorized from shallow, deep, and the deepest pullbacks. So again, good luck in your trading. Hope to see you at the opening bell.